Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi here, and today we have a quick part 9. This is a 2-minute 30-second video, so hold on to your horses. We're gonna get it done. We're starting off here with this really pretty plaid paper. I just love the colors of this album so much, and you'll hear me say it in every single video. I just love it. I think it's so cute, and the plaid is such a preppy yet fun vibe with all of the colors, so I just love that. And then I'm adding this little tag, which I kind of added because of the way it was cut. It looked like a nice little border, so I put that deep behind the photo mat there. And then this paper little, what do you call those, like pennant flags? Not pennant flag, windmill, maybe a windmill. I kid you not, I've had this windmill. I've made it, I was like 11, I think, when we made them. That paper is from the first scrapbook paper pad I ever freaking bought, and look at me using it now, like 10 years later. I just think that's so much fun. Scrapbooking not only gives you a chance to go through all of your old photos, but also all of your old embellishments, and in those embellishments there are memories too. And speaking of embellishments, if you ever wondered what my setup looked like, which hint hint, video to come soon, make sure you subscribe. This is part of the setup. I put all of the embellishments that I'm looking for. I'll go through all of my boxes before I start an album and then put them into a plastic baggie just like that, and then I will sift through them when I am trying to find something to fill some spaces. I think that's the best and easiest way that I found to set up a whole album before you start, is to go in and find all of your embellishments ahead of time, because that way you're just doing it once, you have one idea in your head, you know what you want, and all of your embellishments are going to be much more cohesive that way. And to finish off this scrapbook page, before we add our photo, I'm going to add these cute little gold glitter flowers that have been on a lot of the Pink, Purple, and Giraffes Oh My scrapbook layout pages. And so I'll just add 2 right here, and that pretty much completes the page. I'm going to go ahead and add on the photo, and that's it. If you guys are interested in adding this page to your own album, you can get a printable format downloaded at the link in the description box. Just head to my website. You can even try the printable pages for free. That's how much I want you to use them, and I'd love to hear your feedback. I hope this inspires you to create something, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!